So today we are going to see standard operating procedure under sub-rule 5 of Rule 34A of MCDR 2017 for carrying out drone survey and submission of digital area, drone and satellite image of mining areas to Indian Bureau of Mines, Nagpur, March 2023. Introduction. To relate the use of technology, it has been proposed to use a combination of digital area images to monitor mining activities in the country. The digital aerial images as an emerging technology is increasingly being used in agricultural, environmental, geology, mining, town planning, and forestry application and other applications. Through satellite imagery, one can view the activities that took place on the ground without human interactions. This can be applicable to the mining sector, and mining activities can be monitored through the space. Based on the time series, satellite imageries for different periods, change detection study in the mining activities of mine would be studied mainly portioning to lateral changes in a broad view. Volumetric calculation can also be done based on stereo pair satellite imageries with constant degree of errors. So drone typically operate at much lower altitude as compared to satellite and are also able to provide unique data with regards to spatial resolution and angle of view. Compared to satellite images, drone images can provide lower ground samples distance or higher spatial resolution on the ground. Drone technology can be extensively applied in the mining sector, that is for carrying out overall survey of mines, of monitoring the mining and allied activities in and around the mining area, lease boundary demarcation using the ground control point, and georeferencing of the lease, monitoring of illegal mining activities, etc., volumetric estimation of excavation, reclamation, and periodical stockpile monitoring, change detection analysis over a period of time using previously surveyed data, monitoring of land use and environmental impact in and around mining area, virtual inspection of mines for regulatory purpose, preparation of contour survey and survey map for filling to various regulatory agencies as well internal use of the industry. So now the advantage of drone survey are: drone survey in mining improve the overall efficiency of large mine site and quarry management by providing accurate and comprehensive data detailing site condition in a very short time. The data accuracy and authenticity is better than the traditional survey. Okay. High resolution data of drone provides high accuracy and more precise volumetric measurement than traditional surveying method. Stockpile of irregular shape and exhibiting craters can be easily surveyed with great precision than using traditional method. Traditional method, it says nothing. They are talking about total station and DGPS survey. Drone survey is faster, less human intervention in mine and easily repeatable mining survey at low cost. Repeatable mining surveys at low cost. Changes between two surveys can be tracked and highlighted automatically. Drone aerial images can be used to generate point clouds, digital surface model, digital terrain model, and a 3D reconstruction of a mining site, including its stockpiles. Helps in creating a digital database which can be used and retrieved at easy and compare. Data generated over a period of time can be stored in digital platform and the time series data can be compared. The data can be used for a systematic and scientific mine closure planning, monitoring of reclamation, rehabilitation activities in lease area. With the above subject in view, Government of India Ministry of Mines has amended Mineral Conservation and Development Rules MCDR 2017 in the year 2021, requiring submission of digital image by the lease preferred bidders to the IBM. The provisions of Rule 34A of MCDR are as follows. Rule 34A. Every lease having the annual excavation plan of 1 million ton or more in a particular year, or leased area of 50 hectares or more. So this is the two category. So which mines is going to producing 1 million ton, there should be submit this data, and as well as who are the person having 50 hectares and more. Shall carry out a drone survey of the leased area and up to 100 meters outside the lease boundary. This is the important. In the month of April or May every year and submitted the processed output, digital elevation model DEM and orthomosaic images obtained from such survey or any other format as may be specified by Indian Bureau of Mines to the Controller General Indian Bureau of Mines on or before 1st day of July every year. So every lease other than those covered under Sub-Rule 1 shall submit soft copy of high resolution georeferenced ortho-rectified satellite images of the leased area and up to 100 meters outside the leased boundary taken in the month of April to June of every year. So to the Controller General Indian Bureau of Mines on or before 1st day of July of that year in the standard format such as GeoTIFF along with metadata or any other format as may be specified by Indian Bureau of Mines in this regard. Provided that lease who has submitted images under Sub-Rule 3 shall not be required to submit the images under this sub-rule for the year in which images are submitted under Sub-Rule 3. So 3, what they are saying, every lease shall carry out a drone survey of his leased area and up to 100 meters outside the lease boundary within 6 months before submission of any mining plan document or modification that to the Indian Bureau of Mines for approval and shall submit processed output, digital elevation model and orthomosaic images obtained from such survey to the concerned regional control of mines and the Control General Indian Bureau of Mines along with the application for approval or notification of mining plan. Okay. So who are the person is going to submit mine planning? So they are already submitted this elevation model and orthomosaic. So that is they are going to consider. Okay. Provided that the lease who has submitted the images under sub-rule on or before the 1st day of July falling immediately before submission of mining plan document shall not be required to submit the same under Sub-Rule 3. Okay, this is what we discussed. All preferred bidders who are issued with a letter of intent for grant of a mining lease shall carry out a drone survey of the mining block granted through action and up to 100 meters outside the block boundary and submitted the processed output images obtained from such survey along with the mining plan to the regional controller and the Control General Indian Bureau of Mines. Okay. The standard operating procedure for carrying out the drone survey and form of the data to be submitted shall be specified by Indian Bureau of Mines from time to time. Provided that the Indian Bureau of Mines may prescribe any alternative mechanism for survey and submission of data or images other than the mechanism specified in Sub-Rule 1 to 4 in case of any restriction on use of drones under any law for the time being in force regulation the use of drones. Okay. Accordingly, the following standard operating procedure is proposed to be followed for carrying out drone survey and submission of digital aerial images and satellite imageries to IBM by the mineral concessions holders. Okay, understand. So now everything they declared. Now how you are going to carrying out drone survey. So that's we are going to see it.